Hi again, everyone. In this video, we're gonna build Scorpion from the Spiderman Brand New Day movie. Oh hey, if you don't have the green parts, you can use a mix of dark and light gray color. It looks awesome too. And if you have any ideas what should I build next, let me know in the comment. So, without further ado, enjoy the tutorial, enjoy the build, and thank you for watching. And here's the gray version looks like. Still awesome, right? And there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a like. Until next time, stay awesome and keep on bricking.